Hello, Chris Parker again for Nasco. I'm here to present the 13-piece starter set. This is one of our most popular items that's offered through Nasco. It's a perfect place to start your culinary education and a great way to outfit your kitchen for your students. So this is comprised in a roll-up set, and it comes to you basically ready to use first day of class. So I'm going to do an unboxing on this product. You can talk a little bit about what's in the case, some of the various features on there, and why it's a great way to get started with your classroom. So first off is the case itself. This is a heavy-duty nylon canvas case, so it's nice and sturdy. It is easily able to be cleaned off, so I would clean and wipe it with a clean, damp cloth if you are looking to clean up the outside. It also includes a nylon shoulder strap that is adjustable and removable, so it's great for storage, or if you have students who take these around the classroom or you need to move them yourself, they're easily able to go on the move. They have two Velcro straps that hold them into place, so there's strips of Velcro on the bottom, and then they do a simple roll style, so they will actually unroll in front of you. So as this is 13 pieces, there is a wide variety of products in here that are perfect to get started. First up, when I open this, I see one of our Mercer rules. This is a stainless steel cut ruler. This is a perfect product to develop your knife skills. Take a closer look at this item. This is a really nice heavy-duty stainless steel. It is two sides to it. It features a wide variety of the classic knife cuts on there. There's a ruler portion built into it, some of the primal meat cuts on there as well, and does have, again, the classic shape. So when we start working on our knife cuts, we can see that there. So the Mercer Rules stainless steel cut ruler is included in this package. Next up in this package is a standard dial thermometer. Being able to take temperatures is absolutely essential in all classrooms, so we make sure that we have a dial thermometer that's able to be calibrated as well. This is brought to us by the CDN company, and so it has an adjustable nut on there so that you can calibrate it as needed down the road. It has a sleeve on there, or a sleeve so it'll fit in your pocket, and then it has the ability, also has a hole in there to be able to rest it on various items. So if you're temping things like sugar or meats, you're able to hold the thermometer without actually having to grasp with your fingers. So it's a safety aspect to that as well, all built right into this handy storage device. This is able to be clean, wiped down with sanitizer when you're done. Next up is a heavy-duty swivel peeler. So this is a great item when we're doing all of our peeling action. It's got a nice, comfortable rubber grip to it. The blade itself has a little bit of swivel or give to it. So this is great for carrots, potatoes, all of the main items that we would use when we are doing all of our peeling. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this open and take the rest of it. So it is rubberized on the inside, so it's very easy to keep clean and maintained. If this does accumulate dirt or wear, basically just give it a wipe with a clean, damp cloth. Now, this kit has 4 blades in it, so there are a variety of different blades in this set. It also includes a honing or aligning steel, so you can take care of your knives while you're using them. So first up with this is the 8-inch chef's knife, which is included in this. All of these cases have elastic holders for the knives, elastic pockets, so everything will stay in place as you're using it. There's nice heavy stitching on here that runs through there. It's a double stitch, so everything stays in place, and also includes some Velcro holds so that everything will stay there. What you also notice with these is each of these knives does have a plastic knife guard with it. This is perfect for ensuring both safety when you take this out of the knife case, and then also keeps the knives protected when they're in there. The last thing we'd want to do is have these rattling around inside the knife case. They could potentially cut through the bag because they are so sharp, and they can also damage each other if they were bang in there. So the plastic knife guard is a perfect way of being able to store your knives, and these are included in the knife kit. So this, again, as I said, includes an 8-inch chef's knife, which is a perfect knife to get started on for most of our culinary classes. It has an 8-inch bread knife included as well. This is great for any of our cutting pastries, breads, etc. Great bread knife. This is all from our Millennia series of cutlery, so it has that really nice 2-piece rubber handle, Santoprene and plastic. It has an 8 or 6-inch boning knife in it, perfect for all of our basic primal cuts. You can bone out a chicken, anything you need to do there. And then it also includes a 3-inch paring knife as well. So the paring knife is great for small tasks, peeling, deveining shrimp, etc. Perfect for that. This is all that's included in that set. Great place to get started, and as you see, there's extra storage pockets in there, so it can grow with you. Whether you purchase for this for yourself or for your classroom, there's room for extra storage as well. The big thing when you are putting these knives back into the guards, the safe and proper way to do it is to actually set the blade at the bottom and then push it in from the top. Don't try to push the knife in through it that way. That it will not go in that way, and it's a very easy way to cut yourself. So simply rest the edge of the blade on there and slide in like you're cutting. And the biggest way to make sure that we keep these knives and guards clean is make sure you're only putting clean, dry cutlery into the guards themselves. The way they're designed, they're very, very tightly pinched at the bottom, so it's hard to clean them out. So we want to make sure that you put clean, dry knives away with them. And then the knife steel is our Genesis line of knife steels. This is a great starter item right here. You'll be able to properly hone and maintain your cutlery using this one. So the 13-piece starter set is a perfect way to start your culinary career, great way to outfit your classroom, an awesome product available from Nasco Education. Thank you.